How to make a watermark, like this. First, you want to search app, green screen. Choose whatever green screen you want and hold onto it, then click on Save to Photos. After that, go to CAPCUT and make a new project of the green screen you saved to Photos. Next, you want to click on Text and type what you want as your watermark. If you want, you can change the font of your watermark or keep it. Now you're going to take a screenshot of the watermark and you can crop it if you want. Then you want to leave that project and make a new project, which will have your clip. Then you want to go to Overlay and add the picture of the watermark. Size and place the watermark where you want it to be and how big or small you want it. Before the last step, click on the watermark and scroll till you find Remove BG and then slide the intensity to max. Lastly, scroll to Splice and click on Soft.
That's it. Like and subscribe for more.